Calorie burner. Calorie burner. My God is a calorie burner. He will do it for me.
Hey guys, welcome to this kitchen. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how I made this sumptuous and amazing looking Gizdodo. I know you love this meal, so please stay tuned and see how I made this meal. Oh, unless I forget, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what exactly are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button and also do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up because that's how YouTube is going to spread this video around. Now let me introduce you to the ingredients. For this, you're going to be needing some fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper. Also, you will be needing gizzard because it's Gizdodo, right? So you're also going to be needing plantains, which is also one of the ingredients for this meal. You need some plantains, guys. Here is my green pepper, which I was supposed to be using with the yellow and also the red one, but I couldn't find it, so I had to use just the green pepper. These are the ingredients I will be using. I have my thyme, I have my curry powder, and also my seasoning cube. I will be using my garlic pepper, Italian seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, ginger and garlic, and also some smoked paprika. These ingredients are one of my favorite when I am making anything that has to do with chewing stuff like beef, fish, chicken, turkey, and the likes, because it gives it this great taste that I love. Okay, so we're going to start with preparing our gizzard. That's the first thing we're going to do. I don't know why I didn't allow them cut this where I bought it. I don't know. I kind of felt like it would be easy for me to cut, but yes, it was easy for me to cut, but it was just time wasted because the gizzard was actually much and I needed to dice them like in really small pieces. So for an advice, right, this is me just advising you guys. If you know that you want to make Gizdodo, when you buy the gizzard, just let them cut it for you, jelly, before you now bring it home, just to ease your work. Thanks and God bless. Okay, so when you're done prepping your gizzard, it's time for you to blend your pepper and tomatoes, your fresh pepper and tomatoes. And after blending that, I just put it into a pot and let it start boiling because it has to cook to be very dried. I like it very dried. Okay, so I just start cooking that already so I know. While that is boiling, I just put my already washed gizzard in a pot and start my seasoning. So this is me putting all the seasoning that the gizzard is going to need to cook and bring out that sumptuous taste.
Struggle, and there's beauty in the pain. So if love is a struggle, I guess there's beauty in everything. There's peace in a heartbreak, and there's fire in the rain. So if everything means nothing these days, baby, then let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Never thought anxiety would change me, but everything that goes up must come down. And every time I think I got it made, I drown. I wish that it would let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me.
So after putting all the seasonings that I need in my gizzard, I'll just give it a turn and then cover the pot and let it cook for a while. Just leave it to cook till it's ready, okay? And while that is cooking, I decided to check on my pepper. As you can see, it's almost cooked but not yet cooked. Like I said, I love it really dried, so I'm still going to leave this in there for a little while just to keep cooking. I'm going to prepare my plantain. All right, like you also know, plantains are one of the main ingredients in Gizdodo. I mean, because dodo is plantain, of course. So this is me just cutting my dodo and prepping it. I had to also check on my pepper again. As you can see, it is dried now. Yes, this is when I say I like it dried. This is what I'm talking about, okay? So while I'm near the gas cooker and checking the pepper, I also decided to check my gizzard, and as you can see, it is almost ready. Just a little bit more to go. So I'll just leave it for a little bit to cook, and while that is cooking, I am prepping my plantain, okay? Dicing this stuff was very weird. I don't know why. I just felt like I was struggling to dice this plantain. I don't know why this thing was stressing my life, but anyways, we move. At this point, I'm done dicing my dodo. They look so pretty, right? Right. So it's time for us to fry this dodo right now. So I have my pan on the fire, and I have my plantains inside frying and sitting pretty. As you can see, they're already looking golden brown, which I love. Like, love. Yes. So while my plantain is frying, I'm just going to prep my green pepper and onions, dice them up, and get ready to, assemble everything in the pot, because you just have to make everything ready. So putting it all together just means the food is ready. You get my point? Yes. So while this was going on, I was also frying my gizzard. I don't know how I lost that clip, guys. I just couldn't find that clip. Here is my gizzard already, all done. It looks so pretty. I just kept eating it. Like, I don't know, I couldn't stop picking and eating. Why? Because of the flavor. It tasted really great, and this is why I love to season my meat or beef or anything that has to do with chewing very well. It's because I have this habit of always taking and eating when it's not even in the pot yet. Alright, as you can see now, my plantains are ready. They look so cute and pretty, or looking all brown, golden brown, and ready to get into that pot. Yes, we are done frying our gizzard and our plantain. I am also done prepping my green pepper and also my onions, so it is time now to assemble everything. To assemble, I'm going to put a hot pan of oil on the fire and then add my onions and let the onions saute in the oil for a little bit, just to give it that flavor. So after that is done, I'm going to add my puree, that's my pepper and tomatoes that I blended and cooked to dry up. I'm going to add that in the pot and just mix for a little bit.
The sparks in your eyes are what I desire. You're my light in the dark, even though you are tired. What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts forever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now.
So when my pepper is almost ready, I can now start adding ingredients. So this is me putting all the seasonings and ingredients that I need to put in my tomatoes and pepper paste. Okay, so it can cook very well and give it this beautiful taste by the time we assemble everything inside.
I used to be scared that you'd leave when it gets colder, but you're there when I need you. Now it's October. So don't leave me now for something better. Don't leave me now for something better. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you.
Now, when I said I lost clips, yes, I did. I lost a lot of clips in this, and I don't know how. So when I put all these things into the pot, I couldn't find that clip anymore. But what I just did is I prepped, everything was already prepped. So I just put in my gizzard first into my tomato, mixed that up and let it steam for a little bit. And then I added my plantain and mixed it up for a little bit. And then I also added my green pepper and a bit of onion. So that's what you see in here, and mixed it all up together. Leave it to steam for a little bit and it is ready, guys. So you can see my Gizdodo is already ready. It didn't take so much time. Once you prep your ingredients down, trust me guys, this takes little time. Okay, it takes just little time. This tasted so good. It tasted so sumptuous. It was amazing. It looks great. I just can't have enough. I think I'm gonna make this again, but then I'm gonna have my yellow pepper and my red pepper to go with it. All right guys, that's it on today's episode. I hope you did enjoy it. If you want to know how I made this, I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. You can also try yours and let me know how it tastes, and let me know how you enjoy eating your Gizdodo in the comment section. I want to know. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's episode. I'll see you on the next one. Please do not forget to subscribe and also give this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye.
I know you know we know we're on fire.